Now, excuse the language. Cover his eyes. Crazy show to success story. Well, what happened is the plumber was tying into the sewer main in a city job. And granted, it was a little complicated back there because a bunch of different lines had been run over the years. This was in between Memorial Park and downtown, so it was a much older part of town, let's say. The plumber ended up damaging the real main and tying into an abandoned main. It was a show. What that did, though, it didn't affect the people that were tying in, didn't affect the new job, it affected the neighbor next door. And this is what the neighbor's house looked like next door when he came home from vacation. And he was livid. Rent a hotel to stay in. And he went to the neighbors and presented them a bill. Said, you pay this, or it got kind of nasty. You pay this or I'm taking you to court. You know, he was a pretty hard-nosed guy. He was an attorney too, so those people just paid right away. Let's make this go away. We're gonna be neighbors for who knows how many years here. And they actually made it go away. We got it all cleaned up, everything was cool. And the clients had the guy's insurance. And the plumber wasn't really doing much to have them feel confident that he was gonna push and get this thing done. Well, it was much more important to the owner than to the plumber, which is pretty typical. There's nothing inherently wrong with that. It's just priorities. So they got on it. The woman, the wife of the house, got on it. And 3 months later, she called me up and said, we got it done. The insurance company paid the $20,000 back to the owners that they put out of pocket.